Welcome to another one of my classes on Skillshare. I'm Chris Carter. In this class, I'm going to be teaching you how to make gorgeous gift tags, such as this, and this, and this. And all you need is some cloth ribbon. I use Hannah silk ribbon. It's extremely delicate, but it's absolutely beautiful. You can, however, use most kinds of cloth ribbon. Should be no problem at all. In fact, I've even used paper. This is a handmade paper of some sort that's cut into ribbon strips. And I've used all kinds of different ribbons to do this. You know, you can do ribbon like this and just take whatever you have and play with it. What is fabulous about some of these techniques of making gift tags is that you can decorate note cards beautifully and then pack them away in a suitcase. You can put them flat like this. And by doing one of the bows that I'll teach you how to do, the bow doesn't get crushed at all. You can sandwich it together and then leave these beautiful gifts for people who are hosting you. Your friends that you stay with. You can also easily ship them places without the bows getting ruined. This is a great idea too for packaging soap. If you make your own soap and you want to give it as a gift, why not make it just beautiful? You will be using 3 techniques. You'll be using a brush technique, a blow technique, and a splatter technique with the watercolor. And then I will teach you how to tie a gorgeous bow that's fluffy and 3-dimensional. And you'll also learn how to do these flat bows. And you'll learn a combination of the flat bow and the 3-dimensional bow. All you'll need is watercolor paper, and you can just use scrap watercolor paper if you want. You'll need some watercolor. You'll need a brush. You only need one brush. You'll need your mouth. You might want to use a toothbrush for the splatter. And you'll need some ribbon. The other thing you'll need is sharp scissors. So let's get started. Hope you enjoy the class.